Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Nancy and I'm on a journey to become there for you guys, and your girl is gonna do it. I don't know how, but I'm gonna do it before August or by August. We don't got that long from now, you guys. We got like 4 months. Well, almost. Let's say almost to 3.5 months now. Okay, so it's Mini Friday. So let's play. We got $25 to play with. No luckies, no fives, no spicy, no nothing. No nothing. Nothing. J $1 bill. A $1 bill. Okay, honey? Okay, so we are gonna play. Estoy bien pendeja. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. If you haven't given me a thumbs up, please go ahead and do so. What are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Oh, talking about subscribers, 50-some% of you guys are non-subscriber. What is wrong with you, honey? Please subscribe to my channel. I need you to subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you. No, I don't beg. Just kidding. So, no. Don't subscribe if you don't want to. I don't need to if you don't want to subscribe. Okay, so it's Friday. As you can see, your girl is acting up because your girl is going in the afternoon at work today. Okay, honey? That's why your girl ain't making no money, because the manager be putting her work at the afternoon and me no make no money. And that's why me be brokey. I'm a brokey. Because I don't make no money because of the manager. Manager don't like me. He put me in the afternoon. So, we gotta work with what we got. Yo, alright. It's Friday. Friday. I know I'm not completing shit because I got a long way to go, honey. And that's okay. So, $25. Let's take a picture, right? Alright, are y'all ready? Y'all say cheese. Y'all smile for me. Please smile for me. Ooh, update. My binders. They're almost done. It will take a while though. Just get ready for next month, the end of next month. I'm dropping them. Dropping those 2 colors in 2 neutral colors. I know you guys are going to like it because you love neutrals. All right, here we go. Ready? Y'all say cheese. And 1, 2, 3. Cheese, bitches. Okay. Here we go, guys. It's Friday. Everyone's going to get a little bit of love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if it doesn't, oh, well, we ain't gonna cry about it. I mean, I could cry about it, but I can't cry about it. All right, number 1 is winning. Okay, here we go. Number 3. Oh, 2, baby. Here we go. 4, 3. Look at that. 6, 1. Okay, I'm going too crazy today. You guys, I just had coffee. And it's hot in this house. I felt cold before my coffee. Now it's hot. This looks like a chaos. This is not me, right? Okay, it is me. This is just my wild me. Y'all know me as my regular me, calm, bubbly. But when I tell you, when they start to acting up, I will act up. Not in front of people though, but unless I'm like a little tipsy, then I'll be like, okay. I just laugh. I laugh and talk nonsense. All right, we got 1. Y'all, we need a 5. Come on, we trying to go to vacation. We need a 5. What, Eric? Oh, the kiddos. Well, Eric is home. They don't have school today because it's teacher work day or whatever. I wish they had that when I was back in school. Oh, a tornado was passing? Oh, who cares? You're going in the hallway putting your book on top of your head, but you ain't having no day off. Now, ooh, it's about to rain 10 times a day and 100 miles per hour the wind, and you ain't going to school. And back then, it could have been 100 miles per hour the wind, and you still going to school. Now, it's just any excuse, okay? Any excuse. All right, so vacation ain't got nothing because I guess they don't want me to go vacation. They don't want to see my jiggly body and at the beach. So, it's okay. We will make a comeback. We okay. We got this. All right, so this one is gone. All right, guys. So, yesterday, I did the trackers that I forgot. So, I'm going to put the winner chicken dinner. My neighbor's staring at me. She always stares at me, you guys. I feel so awkward. She's so nice. She's so sweet. But she be staring so hard. I feel like she knows what I'm doing. But anyway, so here are the trackers. Congratulations, winner. Message me on Instagram if you haven't. If you don't have Instagram, message me on Etsy. But congratulations, you're the winner chicken dinner. Everyone's giveaway is going to be shipped out this coming week, okay? So if you won this week, it will be shipped out this coming week, okay? And they are sent mail, so give it about 7 days or so you can, you know, get your goodies. So yes. All right, here we go, guys. Let's start with this one. All right, this one right here, it got $6, okay? $6, but we had a leftover of 2. So, you know, we completed that. Have you guys noticed that I've been getting the high numbers? Like, what is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6. So that one is done. Okay. I'm not complaining, but at the same time, I'm complaining because I'm trying to finish challenges and your girl ain't finished nothing. Okay. Ooh, we got a 1. Okay, see? You gotta talk crap about it, because if you don't talk about it, they ain't gonna get hurt. So, all right, now let's see. Now it's gonna get me back. Up, see? 5. It said, I'm gonna bite you back in the butt again. All right, so we need a 5. That's okay. It's okay. Oh, no, we had a leftover of 2. Okay, so we got a $1 leftover for the next one. So that's good. Okay. Okay. We got a long way to go, though. That's the thing. We got a long way to go. So we need a 5 for the next one. We got a $1 left over. Are you guys doing anything for Easter? Let me know, you guys. I cannot believe we're actually going to close this year again. They were thinking about it not closing, but we're going to close. So you know what that means? That your girl ain't going to work no more. No work Saturday, no work Sunday, off Monday, 3 day off. What the heck? What am I going to do? I'm going to be broke. Like, now I'm broke. So that's why we only got $25 to play with today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5. So we got $1 left over because this one was a 4. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, we need a 3 for the next one. So that means we need 2 more. 2 more because we're going to have $1 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Awesome sauce. So yeah, so I'm excited. So we weren't sure if they were going to close or not, but you know, we're not really going to do anything. We're just going to probably put some eggs in our backyard. I mean, in the front yard, not our backyard. In our front yard, or maybe go to my mom's house and have them do it at my mom's house and do their eggs with our eggs. And yeah. But we don't have no idea what we're going to do. We just might take a little chill day type of day at home. And yeah, but I'm excited though. Are you guys doing anything fun? Let me know. All right, Amanda, she had $1 left over. Budget with Amanda. Each little icon is $2. This one got 1, 2, 3. Perfect, you guys. It works out. Look, $4. So we are able to do 2 of them. Yes. We have a long way to go, honey. A long way to go, but it's okay. Ooh, oh, well, it is what it is. Well, we'll just color it like that. Okay. You guys. So I be having a lot of boogers, mucus. Please tell me I'm not the only one. Okay, I be seeing very sad TikToks, and your girl be crying. I'm very sentimental. I'm very crybaby. I be crying, and Alex be like, "You crying again?" He's like, "You love to cry." I'm like, yes, sir. I love to cry. You guys, and then once you watch one sad video, it keeps coming and coming and coming. And I'm like, oh my God. Like, y'all, I cry. There's some sad ones there, but sometimes I just cry. Like, I'm like, yo, help me. 1, 2, and 3. This one got 3. So yes, we're getting closer. 1, 2, and 3. Oh my gosh, we need 4 more and we're going to be done with this one. I know I'm not the only one because I be seeing comments and they be like, oh my gosh, it's 7 in the morning. I'm over here crying for a stranger. That's me, you guys. I cry. I do cry with a few TikToks. I be watching TikToks and I be crying. And that's okay. It's okay to cry. It's good for your immune system, right? Is it good for your immune system? I don't think it is. It might be good for your eyes, but I don't know about the immune system. All right, here we go. This one got a lot, you guys. Look at this. It knows it needs a 6. So it's not playing. It came to win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? So we got 6 right there. We completed this one. Yes, ma'am. This is very high. I already have a 20. I condensed the $1 bill because it was a thick envelope. So I already got 20 on here. Okay, here we go. Puta madre. We got a 5. I'm telling you guys, it's killing me this week. Especially this week that I'm barely working as much. It's killing me with those high numbers. Oh my gosh. What's going on, Shanene? Gosh, I swear. It's okay though. Alright guys, well there you have it. This is your Friday. Ooh, it's hot in this room. And I know why it's hot. Because I drank coffee, you guys. I drank coffee while I had Alex's sweater, the camo one. And then I was like, no, let me take this off. Because if I record in that, I'm going to be sweating. And I'm going to smell like onions. And I'm trying to smell like onions. You know? You know what I mean, jelly beans? So we need a 5 for next one. We got $2 left over. Alright, guys. Quick and fun video. Hope you liked it. I was extremely extra today, as you can tell. Trust me, I'm like that. If you knew me in person, I'll be like that sometimes. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, guys, thank you so much for spending your time with me. You know your time is precious. And I see you again tomorrow. You guys, don't miss out tomorrow. You need to come back for tomorrow. Do you see over here what we have for tomorrow? I don't know if you noticed that. Did you notice that? I don't know. So tomorrow we start a new series. Every Saturday. We're going to do every other Saturday. So we already did this one. So we're doing this one tomorrow. If you know, let me know in the comments below. Oh. Look, I got me a little sticky note pad holder. Kuromi! You guys, I love Kuromi. If I could show you my chair. I don't know if you guys seen it. But my chair, my little like desk chair, it's a Kuromi. I don't think you can see it, but here is the little ear of my Kuromi. Look, you can't tell, but it's a huge chair. My Kuromi chair. I love Kuromi. I love Hello Kitty. You guys know that. I love Hello Kitty. Ain't nobody gonna lie to you that I'm a Hello Kitty lover. But I also love Kuromi too. I just think it's just so cute. She's a cutie patootie. And guys, can I tell you something real quick? I splurged a little bit. I went out of budget and I saw something, and it's a Hello Kitty, of course. And I have not unboxed it. And it's here. It's right here. Look at that. And it's another one of the little greeters, but this time it's a Christmas one. The struggle is real, right? I just had to share that with you guys, because who else am I going to share my stuff with? My husband, Alex, he's so over it. He's like, oh my God, you got another one again? I'm like, boy, don't talk to me. Don't tell me nothing. You got like 10 bins of storage bins of Pokemons. So don't you dare come with me and talk to me about you bought another one again. Okay. You guys, last night he was falling asleep and he thought out loud and he's like, did I really just buy a lot of Pokemons? I said, what? He said, did I really say that out loud? I said, yes, you did. And I laughed, he laughed, and I just asked him again right now. I'm like, so were you okay last night? He said, huh? I'm like, you thought out loud. You said you bought a lot of Pokemons. He's like, oh, yeah, I did speak out loud. I'm like, I'm like, don't come at me now. I love him. He loves me. I know he does. He gotta deal with me, guys. And I gotta deal with him. And I tell him that all the time. Like, you deal with me, I deal with you. So we're even, baby. We're good. We're good in the hood. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. I'm just talking nonsense. And I see you back again tomorrow. Bye.